Is your Ecovacs Deebot T8 mopping with a bone-dry pad? You filled the tank, you heard the clicks, but your floor is still as dry as a bone. That's not a smart clean. That's just dragging a dirty rag across your house. Usually, the technical culprit is a seized internal mopping water pump that stopped pushing liquid. Often it's paired with worn-out wheel rubber. If your robot loses its grip, the mopping system can't gain the traction it needs to work effectively. Ignoring this won't just leave your floors dirty. A faulty pump can lead to internal electrical strain, and those bald wheels will eventually have your robot spinning in circles, literally. But don't panic, your floors don't have to stay thirsty. At RoboCare, we're experts at diagnosing and fixing these specific Deebot T8 glitches. We don't believe in guesswork. We use precision diagnostic equipment to test the electrical flow to your water pump and measure the traction levels of your drive wheels. Our solution is comprehensive. We carefully disassemble the chassis to replace the faulty mopping pump with genuine components. At the same time, we swap out those worn-down rubber wheels for fresh, high-traction replacements. This dual fix ensures your T8 doesn't just release water, but also maintains the perfect grip to scrub away stubborn stains. But seeing is believing. Let's show you the result. Now that's a transformation. This Ecovacs Deebot T8 is back to its floor-shining best, total restoration, powerful flow, perfect grip, and zero effort for you. Ready to revive your robot? Contact RoboCare today for expert diagnostics and fast repairs on all major brands. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.